Okie dokie. We are back. So now, okay, so last time we were able to successfully read from our cookie clicker game. So I think this time what we need to do is actually start making the game go faster, because we didn't get very far. And obviously the answer to that are these upgrades over here. So I was looking at Cookie Clicker while it was doing the thing, you know, as you do, clicking the cookies, and I'm thinking that we can do something very similar to the way that we were reading text, because we saw that we would just get garbage text whenever we didn't read it and it was this pure white color. Well, I guess when we did read it and it wasn't the pure white color. So we can probably do something similar, because right now this isn't the code doing it. This is just me clicking. But you can see that right now this is red because it's like I don't have enough cookies. And so once I get to that point, then you can actually see that it turns this nice pretty green color to say that yes, now you do have enough cookies. So I'm thinking that the two things we need to implement now are click on the location if you see this cookie, and also if you see this green, then you should click that and do an upgrade. I don't know if that's necessarily like min-maxing or whatever the proper thing is. I don't know if there's like a cookie clicker strategy, but if there is, I don't know what it is. So this is the closest thing that I can think of as like a good cookie clicker strategy. So we should probably start by doing the same thing we did before, which is we take a little snippet of the screen so that we can then figure out what color this is. This pretty little color. So, or not, you know, that's cool. Oh, there. It just took a bit. It probably doesn't like that I'm doing like 1,000 things all at the same time. But more importantly, now I can go in to this little eye color dropper and figure out what color this is. So we've got this. So let's go back to our code and start to implement those things like I discussed. So obviously right now my brain is thinking about this upgrade thing, so we'll do that first. So we will make a new definition and we will say define, oh, it doesn't want to type. Okay, define, and we're going to say buy upgrade or check for upgrade. No, we'll just say buy upgrade. There we go. We'll have a little buy upgrade function, and the first thing that it's going to do is, like before, actually take a look at our screen. So let's see, just like before, we can take a look at the screen, and then we probably want to crop it again. So we'll have to change this crop. Change crop to side. And then we will see here, we said take the pixels in that little thing, and we did something like this. But we'll do something different. So there. Ba-bum. So here we get our new color, which is 102, 255, and 102. And that's going to say that if you see this, then I want you to now grab that location and click it. So I'm actually thinking at this point if we actually want to crop it. Because even though that's making the code go through a lot more things in order to, well, if we don't crop the code or crop the picture, we can actually just pipe in the pixel location from the screen for where it's gonna click, which is probably an easier option. I don't, hard to say. I wonder if I still have that save file of that, of the screen. Let me check the folder. I don't. Well, I can just get it again. Let's see what we can do. Oh, no, wait, I have a smart idea. You know, I feel like before I've always said I have a smart idea, and then the ideas weren't that smart because they made the code take forever, but like I swear this time that it's a smart idea, because this will hit two things at the same time. So we know that the crop location for these is going to tell you the offset. So what you can do is then take these 2 pixel locations for your first 2 offset and then add that to wherever the pixel location of the green thing is, green pixel is, in order to see. I guess another problem that I currently have with this is that I don't know how this list comes out, like what this looks like. So, there's a variety of problems that we need to deal with on this one. First, I'm kind of jumping all over the place, so we should just start by doing what we need to do for sure, which is image dot save. It is save. Image dot save. Oh, maybe it's not save. Image dot when in doubt, what do we always do? We Google. Let's see. Pill save image, because I forget. Oh, it is save. I guess I just didn't believe it because when I did it there, it was just all uppercase, and that just seemed like a lie. Oh, it's because I take the name of the thing and save. That explains a lot. Why? I wasn't crazy. I mean, I am crazy. I'm a crazy person, but still. So screen save. We're gonna save it with the name, I guess, screen dot png. I don't know. Screen.png. And then, because really we only just want this to run once so that we get our stuff and we get a bunch of data out, we'll make it end after it calls this function. So we call the buy upgrade function. So we have our thing, and then also, since we already know for certain that we're already going to get a green one, we can actually see what the output of pixels looks like. So what I can probably do is, there's a variety of things that I would want to do here, but we'll start with print, and then we'll print out what pixels look like, because I don't know what that looks like. And then I will also print out, no, I guess that's about it. Because this is just if true, it's true if exists, right? False if doesn't. Yeah, no. I guess we'll just, we know this will work. This will give us, like, a lot of the stuff there. Also, no. Wait. We're going to comment this out for now. Because we want it to go into pixels, and if we crop it to where we're cropping it for the text, it's not going to give us everything that we want. Okay. Okie dokie. Dokie dokie dokie. Okay. Okay. We go back. Okay. And then we start. We run this. Da-da-dang. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Press enter to continue. Okay. Cool. Oh. I was like, it's not ending this. What's taking so long? That's taking the so long. I understand. Yeah, I get it. Yeah, I get it. Oh. Well. Huh. Okay. So the question is, how do I then, okay. Wait, stop. Just stop. Yeah, keyboard interrupt. Yeah, I did. So I okay. Yeah. Oh, I don't know what I did, but apparently doing a keyboard interrupt made the Visual Studio, like, do this. I don't know what that means, because as far as I know, I don't think we were doing any special threading, unless the threading that it's talking about is that technically our keyboard listener for our interrupt is a by itself. It does its own thing. So yeah, I don't. Yeah, no, stop. Just oh, I made it freeze. Oh, it made me it's mad. It did not do it good. Well, let's do some Google while Visual Studio tries to figure out what it's doing with itself. Also, why did this randomly pop up? I don't know what that is, so don't do that. Thank you. Maybe there's another way. Okay, so find location of colored pixel? Yeah. Man, Google is our friend. Google is our friend. Okay, so yeah. This seems like too much work because now you're gonna have to process every single one of them, right? How find the coordinate in an image where the specified color is? Yeah. Oh. I wonder if pill does something like this. Pill. Using pill. Yes. Yep. No. This is saying, hey, get the pixel of that, but this is the opposite of what I want. I have a pixel and I want to find it on the thing. Get pixel. I wonder if we should just open pill documentation. Do 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 do. Pill documentation. You know, that actually sounds like we're talking about like, oh, your documents about your drug, even though pill is pillow. Also, why is pillow called pillow? Is this a weird? It's because a pill, I get it, is the Python image library, but what is the low? Is it low for like low level? Is it low because they didn't want to go around calling it pill? Because everyone calls it pill, that's how you import it. What is the low part of pillow? I have no idea. In any case, again, I'm getting distracted. Okay. So, got an image. They're like rotating the image processing. Yeah. What if I do something, Control F, find? Ooh, verify. I don't know what you're verifying. And I don't know where that second thing led me to. So here, this one's obviously orange, right here in the middle for find. Where's the second find? What is it? Oh, it's in this ad. Find your next developer job. No, thank you though. Examples. Create thumbnails, functions, register, plugins, constants. Pixel access. That sounds about right. Pixel access class provides read and write access to pill image data at the pixel level. Perfect. Yeah. That's what I'm doing. Yeah. And so then I want to find. No, I don't want to find the job though. I just want to put pixel. Yeah, get item. Returns the pixel at XY. Oh, this is actually pretty short. Put a pixel at XY. Get a pixel at XY. No. Nope, I'm back to Google. So we have this image and we were using get data. Actually, why are we doing it this way? We can just say that we know the value of an array and we're trying to find the location in the array that we want, right? Find location in of value in array. Python. Yeah. This is that. Yes. Use list to find the position of an element in a list. Yeah. That. Oh. Well. Okay. So position of 3. A underscore list dot index 3. I wonder what we would get if we tried that. So, again, we'll just wing it. So, we have pixels here, and we want to get the index out of the array. So, we would go dot index, and then we would put this, I suppose. I wonder what, because, Well, we also should have a screen image saved. I don't want to keep saving the same screen image over and over again, so we might as well also, because I got sidetracked trying to figure out what was happening, what we can do about the screen image. So let me just find that image, and then we can open it up, and then it can crash my file explorer, which is a lot of fun. I always love it when the file explorer crashes. That's sarcasm, by the way. Oh, it got mad at me too. Man, as you can see, the computer is just having a good old fun time. But yeah, no, let's try that again. Okay. Yep. take this. And then let's try to open it. Open this image of the screen. Cool. And we can see that we want to get the pixels from, it looks like something along the lines of 2,240, 100, okay, 2,240, and then we'll go to the other side, down here. Actually, yeah, no, we'll go all the way to the bottom. 2,240 to 2,540. Yeah, 2,240 to 2,540, and then 1,430. So this one we can probably keep, so that's why I didn't care about it. 2,240 to 2,000, I said 540, and then 1,000 something. I already forgot the number. Okay, we'll go back. 1,430. Okay, 1,430. Okay. Okay. Oh shoot! No! I changed the wrong one. I'm the worst. No, how could I do that? Okay. Oh, well, it's a good thing I had it here twice. Oops. Yeah. There. Now. Okay. Cool. It's still gonna read the story properly. Cool. Don't do that. Yeah. And then just for giggles, we want it to show us, to make sure that we're showing the right thing. So screen dot filter, format, get band, get colors, get M, get projection, histogram, index, map, mode, palette, point, put pixel, quantify, reduce, resize, save, show, this one, show. Show. Yeah. Cool. Wait, can I just index from screen itself? You know what? I think I'm thinking too hard. If I think too hard about this, clearly I'm just gonna explode. But yeah. So now on this next run, what we're going to see is both hopefully it doesn't entirely scream. That would be the perfect start. But then first, it should show us what it ends up cropping, to see if it crops the area that we would like it to crop. And then we'll see what this actually does and how, if this is actually usable for us. But okay. Let us run it again. Okie dokie. So start. Enter. Okay. You know, it's a pretty good crop. This throwing it into things method works pretty well. Okie dokie. And then looking at this, that's unusable. I don't know what to do with this. This is genuinely unusable. So that doesn't work. I mean, the index probably means something in some way, but not in a way that is useful to us in order to get a location to click. So we've got to figure it out a different way. How to get it into an XY location. Yeah. Maybe instead of array, put it element in matrix? Yeah, that. How do I do that? So I've got this array, yeah? I want to know where 9 is. Agreed, yeah. So in this one, it wants you to use a numpy array. Can I do a where without using numpy? I don't know if numpys are compatible with pill. I don't know. We'll see if it screams. So, ignoring this for a bit. Yeah, I see that you're mad because that's... Yeah, no, it doesn't like that. It doesn't like that at all. Dot. No, it doesn't. Yeah, no, it doesn't like that. Okay, so then we need to make this a numpy array, which means we need to add another thing. Let us import import numpy. Yeah, get that numpy. Okay, so why is my brain doing the thing? Cool. So have this, and we'll make this numpy dot array and now we get now if we put a where here, and also we don't need this anymore because we already know that we're getting a good looking location, we should be able to see what comes out. So let us go back to our clicker of cookies, our cookie clicker, and then we'll click start. Okie dokie, let's go. Okie dokie, let's see what our output was. Nothing. In fact, actually, looking over at Visual Studio, it did not like that at all. It was real mad. It did not like the do that. It has no... Oh, so it says that it doesn't have a where attribute. So this... Oh. Understandable. So looking here, what they actually do is they call numpy itself to do a where. So what we actually need to do is... Yeah, okay. Yep, I know, you're mad. You're mad at me. Oh my god, I'm gonna sneeze. Okie dokie, man. That sneeze had a big roundup, so I had to mute it myself for a while. Anyways, so what they actually do is something more along the lines of if they pixels equal, and then numpy, if I can spell, numpy dot where, and they call this. So that's 1, that's 2, that's 3. Okay, so let's try this again, but now that we use the read function of our stupid dumb robot brains instead of just, seeing, oh look, it says where, we'll just add where. Maybe it'll work this time. Okay, press enter. Enter. Okay. Oh, we got something this time. That's nice. Uh-huh. Yeah. I don't think this is right, though. I also don't know why it doesn't just give me everything. So, here. 0, 2, array 1, 1. Yeah, because what that is implying is that we have then that color along 0, which is not correct. And I don't know. So I'm wondering instead if this is an inherent problem with the way that this is, that the image data is stored. Because I'm then assuming that all of these are going to be like 0, 1s, and 2s. Find location of... Maybe that doesn't work. So, we're back to find the location of pixel color pill. I already know how to get the pixels RGB. I want to find the pixel of RGB color. Pixel access, da 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 da. Find location of pixel. No. Find, yeah. All of these seem to be like, you have a place. What is this color? But I don't want that. I want the opposite. I have, okay. Pill. Pixel, get pixel location based on color, based on IP address. Pixel? That doesn't make any sense. Get pixel, yes, that. So I know this color. Agreed. I tried that. Yeah, agreed. So I have this. Yep. Yeah, I tried that, but it didn't, it gave me a 2-dimensional array. See that? You, sir and or madam and or other person, got 2, and then I only got 1. So something happened here. And I don't know why. I'm wondering if it's because they did it directly from the image. So what if I instead got this from the image? Maybe that's it. So we can try again before, like I was like halfway thinking before, where we were going to just do it directly from the image. We'll try that. So screen, wherever it looks there. Okie dokie. So, let's try this again. Stato. Da-da-dang. Enter. Boop. Okie dokie. No. Nope. That was inherently worse. That was just bad. Look at this. That is the lie. That's not right. Thank you, sir and or madam, but that didn't work. That just didn't work. Yeah. Assuming color to be this, where image equals that. I use numpy where, which is what we tried to do. And it got Yeah, no, that didn't actually do it though. I wonder if it's because I need to do this image convert. So do we still have? We do. Image convert. Da, 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 da. I cannot find. Maybe it's not its own module. Would it be in here? Oh, it is. Image convert. Cool. Image.convert to matrix. Man. So RGB to XYZ. I don't understand what it's doing there. Return a converted copy of this image for the P. This method translates pixels palette words. Words came out of my mouth. I swear. Okay, so RGB bi-level mode using okay. So okay. What? So okay. What? Okay. Like, this made sense up until their example, and then suddenly their example made it make zero sense to me, because I thought it was just like, oh yeah, take this and you put in what parameter type you want. So I want to convert to RGB, so I would say convert open parentheses RGB. Oh, someone's screaming outside. Well, not someone. I guess a car is screaming. Oh, it was very fast. It's gone now. Huh. I wonder what happened. I have no idea. I have no idea what this is asking. Let's just do it. Honestly, what do we have to lose? Obviously, it's not working right now, so it's not like there's anything else. It can't get worse than not working. And I don't think this is going to make it magically have control of my screen or my computer and everything, so we'll just do that. Yeah, convert. Do that. Yeah, convert. Returns a converted copy of the P mode. This mode should translate pixels through the palette if emitted a mode that all the image without a palette. I don't even know what palette means. What are you talking about? Anyways, yeah, what does that mean? What does that mean? Yeah. Okay, so transition to cookie clicker. Then we start. See what our convert does. If it does anything, give us something at this point. Something. Feed us. Okay. Nothing. It still gave out absolutely nothing. There was nothing. Wow. Nothing. It's just so much nothing. It's not anything. It's amazing how much nothing it is. Well, maybe we can try this person, because this person just says don't do where, do argware. We can try that. I mean, again, what do we have to lose? It's not like it currently works. So let's go back over here. And so we'll take it to be take this, and then we'll change it to argware. And now we save it again, and we go back to here, and then we run it, and then we see if it does the nothing. Yeah, do it. Wow. I actually don't know if this is worse or better. It's probably empty again because we know that that's Yeah, I don't know. We knew that it was going to get 0 because before it was already getting 0. Is that it? Is that the big secret? We knew it was going to be 0 already because it was already 0. This doesn't. That seems. Let's see. I also like this person's comments. The reason I use Pill and not OpenCV is that I find that Pillow, which I imported with Pill, is a very useful library for image editing. The image is open and named image. I'm not sure what the load function does exactly, but it's necessary. Yeah. But this person is just iterating through the entire thing. Okay. Maybe we'll use OpenCV. I didn't want to add another image library because right now we're just like adding libraries because it's because. Okay. Import CV2. Wait, do I not have CV2? I thought I had. Oh no. Are we gonna go back to this thing where I'm back at the... Oh no, wait, this time it didn't screen? I don't know. I guess we'll see. Because I know that I've used OpenCV on this computer before, but we might have another one of those days where it's just like, man, you thought that you had this, but it was a lie the entire time. Don't kid yourself, child. It'll be like, that's cool. I don't know why nothing ever works. In any case, okay. So, where were we? Yeah, so here. I immediately forgot where they were trying to get us to use an OpenCV. So I guess we'll just Google again. Let's see. They want you to do... Okay. Yep. Okay. I wonder if I can do... Wait. Because they're taking saved value or saved images, then doing the thing. But I don't really want to do that. Also, this is MATLAB. This is not... No. Why you do that? No. Yeah. Image equals CV2 mread. RGB of your lowest, red of your highest red, in range of image mask. Get find all non-zeros. That looks like a lot of things just to say, please find me the locations. Is there not an easier way? So I wonder if okay. I keep saying words and then stopping. So if we take the existing screen variable and put it into the mread, maybe that's the reason why our numpy wasn't working. So we take actually wait a second. We don't need this anymore. Yeah, this didn't do anything for us. So we're just gonna go back. Wait a second. Was that why that wasn't... Was that why it wasn't doing it? Because we put pixels into a numpy array? I have no idea. I mean, we can just try it. I mean, you know, your girl's desperate for a win at this point. Also, yeah. I mean, I wish I had better words other than I'm just desperate to, like, try and get this to work. Because I don't feel like this should be this hard. I mean, I guess, again, we could just iterate through the entire thing. But if this code wasn't already going so slow, it would already be going so slow. Also, the answer is no. It didn't change our output at all. Our output is still, like, this blank, empty, not great thing. So... Okie dokie. So yeah, no, we'll go back to, we're gonna use mread from CV2. CV2, mread, what? What? Isn't it? Yeah, isn't it? Wait, what? Am I dumb? It didn't scream at me earlier to say that there's no CV2. But also, it did not seem to like mread. Like, it didn't... Huh. Weird. Let's see. Take this. We'll put this here. Yep. Okay. Now, we will go back. And we will try to run it. So start. Ta-dum. Okay. Well, the good news is that we didn't get the same error. The bad news is can't convert object of type image to string for file name. So I wonder now, mread pill in OpenCV. Pill to OpenCV format. Yep, that. Oh, so if I just convert to RGB, it seems to already be what they expect. As you can see, I am still very desperate to, like, do this without bringing OpenCV, because that's a hefty library. I just don't want it in my life, you know? Man, that sort of oppression in my life. Man, OpenCV, what are you trying to do to me? Okay, so let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Enter. Well, now we have 100. But also, we didn't get, no. Yeah, no, that didn't do it. We're back to getting this response, which is, I guess, better than an error response, but it's not the response that we want. Yeah, yeah. How to get a pixel? Yeah, no. How do I get the pixel location? MP artware image equals color. Color is this. Yeah. 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 Yep. It's really weird. I have no idea. I have no idea. Okay. Wait. Am I being dumb? Is that not the... That is the color, right? Wait a second. That is the color. RG... man. Now it's gonna make me check again. Snip. Night. Snip. Snipping tool. Snip. And then, Okay. Okay. Going back. Take this little drippy dropper. More. So, RGB. Yeah, no, that's... Yeah. And it has to be there because it thinks that it exists in there. It just doesn't, What if I just ask it, do a NumPy and ask where in pixels it is? I don't know why I didn't think of doing that before. That actually kind of seems a little bit smarter. Yeah, so where in pixels do you find these things? Yeah. I don't want to save this snip of the grandmother. Okay, let's run this. Maybe again. Again, my bright idea clearly went on a tangent. If this works, it's because I'm a dumb. Nope, that didn't work. So it's definitely in there. It says, okay, maybe I do have to do an arc where? I'm just going to go ahead and add it. You don't need to see me type the 3 letters since we already know where it's gonna change. So we're gonna try that again immediately. And then no, we still end up getting our empty matrix, which isn't fun. But we have popular cookies in our neighborhood. That at least we know. Okay. So, okay. Man, see, this is the main reason why I wanted to stream. I feel like I said this a long time ago, and then, of course, there's not an audience here, so now I'm just talking to myself. But again, the entire point of me doing this was because I always talk to myself while I do things, so might as well put it on the internet. But I really wanted someone to yell at me and be like, man, there's an obvious answer here. And I'd be like, man, that's why I wanted you guys here, because I'm made of dumb. And I don't know. I have no idea why it doesn't. Yeah. I don't know why it doesn't do the thing. Because when we printed out pixels, we saw that everything is the tuples. Which is great. Are we overthinking this? Is there a way that we are overthinking this? From buffer. From bytes. So we use get data, because that's what it was. So return the contents of this image as an object containing pixel values. The sequence of the object is flattened so that values for line follow directly after so that the values for one line follow directly. Oh! Oh. 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 Man. See, man, I'm dumb. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. If only I read. That's why the indexes didn't make any sense when we were originally using index to do this, because using get data puts every single line in a line. Also, if we should be using get colors when I think about it. Because that will cut down the size of the things. So, because there's only a set amount of colors versus translating every single thing. So we'll do that. So step one is that here, for our read text, we're going to change it to get colors, just because we want to see if the color exists. Just so it's slightly smaller in size. And then, because we're not doing by however many dimensions, now we need to find something that is like get data, but it doesn't do it in a line, because clearly that's why when we were doing the indexing, it screwed up the everything. This is why I just need to read. Reading is like, man, reading. Yeah, but it says a sequence object containing pixel values. The sequence is flattened. So let's go back then, and let's think about this then a different way. Which one of these functions is going to do that without putting them all on top of each other? So let's see. Without a matrix argument. See modes. I'm assuming modes then would be matrix? No. Okay. Where do I put in matrix? Because that's what I'm looking for. I want to change this into a matrix. Or do I just say this one here? Optional if given, it should be. Okay. So here I would say image convert. Then I would say matrix equals RGB. So what if we then swap back over to here just for a second, and then because I am again not made of genius, I am not smart person, we'll just figure out what it looks like when it prints out the convert. So convert, and then matrix equals RGB. Okay. So I guess we just run it and then hope nothing does the crishy crashy. Yeah. No crishy crashy. Start. Do. Oh, wait. It says there are errors in the code. What is the error? Oh, it doesn't... how did my spacing get off? Did I mention before that, like, I'm terrible with this whole, Python spacing? I don't know what happened, because we didn't even touch that line. Weird. Okay, we'll just keep going. Because it did weird, and... yeah. I don't know. Cool. Yeah. Yeah. So I guess when you use get colors, it doesn't want to do it the same with the eye for eye. But again, I don't really remember why we did that, besides the fact that the internet told us to. So I don't think I'd be offended if I just got rid of it, to be honest. So we'll just boop, get rid of it, because it did not like that. Cool. Doo-doo-doo. And then we will run it again. Let's go. Let's go. Bop, 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 bop. Okay. Enter. Ah, it still didn't like that. Huh. So get colors. I wonder what pixels look like now that it is get colors. So we'll just have it print pixels, and we'll see what it does. Print. What? How did that happen? That's the exact opposite order of print. Yeah, print. Oh, it's also going slowly because I still have this thing open. There, print. Then we'll just print pixels. Cool. Now, let's do it again. Huh. Nothing came out. Yeah, you can see that it got there. It just says none. Huh. Wait, that doesn't make any sense. How are there no colors? What? Wait, what? Wait. Get colors. So stop doing that. No. Get colors. Huh. How are there no colors in the image? Doesn't the what? How are there no colors in the image? What? 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 How are there no colors? What? Why does this image have no colors? What does that mean? What? How does it have no colors? Am I dumb? I mean, I'm dumb. But man, how does the image have no colors? What is happening? That this image has no colors. What? What does that mean? Uh-huh. Yeah. What is happening? Well, I guess we have to go back to whatever we were doing before. Because what? How does it have no colors? I don't get that. What does that mean, that it has no colors? Yeah, go backwards. Yeah. Get, yeah. And we'll change this back to get data. Because I guess that, it doesn't, okay, that, What? What? I don't, what? is happening? Why would that... What is happening? How does it not have colors? What does that mean? How does this image have no colors? Is it not even... What does that mean? What does that mean that it has no colors? Cool. Okay. Oh, that's cool. This also converted this image into thing. And that didn't actually show me what does that mean? That means that it didn't actually, what? So, yeah. So, ignoring the like existential crisis of what it means to not have an image, because I'm still reeling. The image has no colors. I still need to figure out what it how to change that into a matrix, because clearly telling it matrix is this didn't actually give me out a matrix. It just said, hey, you have this. It's like, wow, that's not... Thank you, though. The pill image is an image mode RGB. It's like, wow, yeah, that's... No. I just want a matrix. Why are you being so mean? Just give me a matrix. Guys, just make it a matrix. What does that mean? Uh-huh. Yeah. Oh, let's see. Going back to mode. Yeah, nope. Okay. So, got an image. The pill image. Let's see. So you open the image. You can get an alpha composite of the image if you want to manipulate this image. You can merge, you can construct this image. If you have an image in NumPy, NumPy as array creates an image memory from an object's exporting. So we want to do this part though. This isn't the point of this, but we're gonna take this and we're gonna steal it. We're gonna steal it. Also, I realized that you guys have been staring at this error because I didn't remember to show you guys this documentation. Because we kept going back and forth and I was having an existential crisis about how an image has no color. But the thing here is that it says, I started from the top and we looked at it. And by we, I mean I, because I forgot to show you guys, so I looked at it. And from the top, and then I got to here where it says from array. And what it's trying to do is if you have an array, make an image from it. But in their example, what they did was they had an image and they made it into a NumPy array. And so that's what we want. We're gonna take that portion of this that they're using for their example to prove something else in order to get our NumPy as array. So let's see, we'll take this and we'll go exactly like they're doing here, and it should be np, no, we didn't, we did it as the good old numpy dot as array, and we'll see if it comes out as an RGB array like they seem to be applying here. So going back to here, okay, and oh, it does actually look more like an array now, because if you look here, look at that. Cool. Now I can see if I can figure out in this array. Well, also I kind of want to know what those colors mean and represent. Getting distracted. Okay, no. First off, we'll just see if we can take, because these are lists of threes. So we'll see if we can just change pixels into this, and if we can find it. So, go back to here, and I would just where numpy dot where in this array we can find, and then we're gonna try to find this. But I think it has to be in this format because the numpy is an array now. So going back to here, we start this, do the doodly do, do do do, do do do. Okay, enter. Oh. Very close. I still don't know what this part is, but we're closer to what the guy over here said. And so then that means that this would be our x coordinates and this would be our y coordinates. Contains the x. Yeah. Use zip method to get a list of tuples containing those. I have no idea what this guy's saying. I don't know what that means. Okay. I don't get it. So, okay. What does zip do, I guess, is the problem. What does zip do? Maybe that's why I've just been staring at this being like, what is zip in Python? What does that do? What is that? What is this? What is this? Yeah. In this tutorial, we will teach you about zip. Zip takes iterable and aggregates them into a tuple. What if I don't care? Yeah, yeah, I don't care. Also, this is not the same thing. Yeah, no, I don't care about that. Yeah. That's nice and all, but, I don't care. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. I don't care. Yeah. Yeah. It repeats the same coordinates 3 times. Yep, that's what the other people said. To avoid doing this, I don't get it. So, what does the colon in an array mean? In, man, we're learning so much about arrays today. Array colon Python. What does that mean? Yeah, what does this mean? Yeah. Yeah. What does this? This is a to the end. So then what this is saying is this is not this one. This one? No. This one. Yeah, this one. So this is saying for the first one 3 to the end 0 1. Length of A to end. Okay. Start, end, step. Okay. Start, so start, end, step. Start, end, step. Start, end, step. So it's saying, from the beginning to the end in steps of 3. So for every third one. So 1, take 3 steps, 1, take 3 steps, got it. So for that, give me only the values of 0 and 1. Ah, that makes sense. So, after we have done that, trying to figure out, we should just be able then to paste that right at the end of there to get something usable for us. Makes sense. And so we should end up getting an array of locations. So, transition back. Then we click the start, and we should see if we get a list of things. Enter. We did the click. Okay. No, it didn't like that. We paused here because we got an error. Triple indices must be integers or slices, not tuple. Well, that's okay. I'm wondering if it's because we didn't do what they did, where that guy, when he did it, actually used an argware. So we can try that. And then we can just try this again immediately. So, click start. Da-da-dang. Start. And now we go. Okay. Oh, that got us exactly what we want. Perfect. So now that we have these, we should be able to figure out two things. A, if we can successfully buy stuff, because we have coordinates. And B, if my theory works, that we can use the offset of our crop in order to actually make these usable values. So, let's go. So, going back to here, I'm going to actually make some of these some values. So we're going to say crop top, crop top, and then this is going to be crop, no, lowercase crop left equals, and we're going to do this. Yep. And we'll do this. Yep. We'll save these variables here, nope, here and here. So, now that we have this, we're going to want to move the mouse. So, here, it's been a while since we've done any mouse manipulation. We're going to want to change the location of where we're saving things. So, we saved mouse position as mouse cookie. So cookie, function, x equals none, y equals none, int non-optional, returns the current xy. Okay. So we just actually want to do this here, mouse position. Returns a tuple. So we want to make this into a tuple. So we know then that mouse position has to be in a tuple of x, y. And is x left or is it right? Did this ever explain to me? Going back here. Yeah. No, I don't know. I'm assuming y is gonna be up, down. So that's gonna be our top and it starts at 0. And that x is gonna be the long one. But I don't know. So we'll try it. Crop left. And crop top. Okay, and now we have these x and y's that we need to fill. So for now, what we're going to do, so we don't want to print this anymore. Now we want to actually save it and use it as a value. We're gonna say, upgrade points. Or we'll just call it upgrades. Upgrades. So now we have this upgrade array. And for now, we're not going to be very particular. We'll just take the first upgrade available to us to see if this is actually going to work. I don't know if it will, but we'll see. Yeah, we will see if this works. X, Y, upgrade 0, 0, 0, and then 0, 1. Okay. So now that we have that, we can try to run it and see where it places the mouse, which is the most important part. So start. Okay. Press enter to continue. Moment of truth. Yeah, I don't know where it placed the mouse. Oh, I do know. It placed it here. This is almost there. Wait, okay, wait. I wonder if that's, is that how that was supposed to go? Close this. Why is this, don't save. Close this. You're slowing down my computer. And you're not making things better. Okay. Yeah, no, let's try that again. Because now I'm curious. Yeah, you know what? Heck it. Let's do it again. Because I just don't trust. I don't trust my ability to do the observe. Okay. Yeah, no, so it definitely went over to something. To, yeah, no. Yeah, no. It definitely went over to the buildings thing, which is not what we wanted it to do. I don't think the buildings are a weird green color. Yeah, no, looking at, if I zoom into that area right there, it's not that weird green color. It's gotta be this one. So I don't know. I do not know. So it's gotta be something about the way that the coordinates themselves are. So let's go back and we will print upgrades again because I already forgot. And then we're going to print and actually see, oh no, wait, what is the syntax for printing again? So we're gonna print out upgrades, but now I actually want it to like do things. So X plus, and then I don't know if this is right. Why? I don't think this is how this is gonna work. In fact, I'm so confident that it's gonna fail. I'm just gonna click start and not even change it to the screen because I don't think that's gonna be very happy. Yeah, no, it did not like that. That's not how you do that. That's not how you do that at all. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I get it. That's not that you didn't like that. Yeah. So, because I'm dumb, let's go back to Google. Let's go back to the basics of printing in Python. So, Python print, and just tell me, yeah, give me the basic guide. Talk to me like I'm dumb. because I am. Yeah, so there's, yep. Wait, what? Yeah, no, what? This one just did this. Oh, because it's not a string. Yeah, no, so, Yeah. Yeah. So here they just do commas. Okay. So what if I just did that? Yeah. We're just gonna comma this stuff. Comma. Which is weird because I think that was my first impulse. And then I was like, nah, there's no way that's correct. So let's try that. Commas. Ba-bong. Enter. Oh yeah, that one worked. Okay. 7, 7, 7, 7. Yeah, no wonder this is not right. Yeah. Why did it give me 7, 7? That's not. Oh, yeah. No. That's wrong. Oh, because I put in the wrong. Yeah, that'll do it. That's why it gave me 7, 7. Yeah. Let's try this again. Okay. Yeah, no, that looks more like what I was expecting. Okay. Yeah, that looks right. That makes sense. Cool. So now that it looks exactly like I expected to, I guess that just means that color is not correct. Okay. So let's think about this a different way then. Also, I kind of want to know what's at that value to make it that thing. But that's not the point that I want. The point is that, what I actually know is that I want the maximum. I probably want whatever is the maximumiest of the down values, because you always want the largest upgrade. So I want to find the maximum in this array. So maximum in a matrix column. Yeah. Yeah. In here it'd be 12, 56, 65, 21. Yes, this is exactly the type of thing that I'm curious about. So yeah, yeah, that looks like that takes a long time to do that. I'm just hoping that there's already... So a lot of this time where I'm doing things like this, where I look at this answer that keeps these sorts of answers that come up, is because that is the obvious option, where you just iterate through the matrix or the array in order to find the values. But that's costly in time complexity. And I don't know why you would do that if there's already an existing thing. So what I'm trying to do most of the time is see if there is an existing function in the many libraries that we have now added to this thing to do the same thing that we want. Speaking of, we can actually remove the CV2 library now because we didn't end up using it because of using the NumPy as array. And overall, NumPy, I think, is a much more useful tool than CV because we are already using pill, so I don't see a purpose of having the two image manipulation libraries when, I mean, we're not doing very much image manipulation, we're just trying to find things in these existing matrices. But yeah, again, right now, I'm just trying to figure out if it can find the maximum. without if I can find the maximum of this thing without like iterating through everything. Why no NumPy? You can do a NumPy, man. NumPy matrix max. Yeah. Okay. Index. Maximum in. Index. Index of maximum. Yeah, there. Yeah, that. So. Oh. Uh-huh. Okay. That makes sense. So what we can do is then we can now ask NumPy where the maximum of it is. So, going back here, we will take more NumPy. NumPy. Yeah. Okay. NumPy where upgrades is equal to our upgrade max. Upgrades dot max. There. Yeah. Yeah. I don't actually know how that's gonna come out. Like at all. So we'll find out. We also don't need these for a while. Well, we're trying to figure out how to just make it do this maximum. So, going back, let's run the thing and do the do. Boopity boo. Actually, I could have just kept it on the other screen because the output is on the sides, so you were gonna see this instead of me having to like alt tab. Yeah, I don't know what that means. Okay. That didn't, yeah. Wait, let's, okay, wait. Okay. Oh. NumPy not detected. That doesn't, that makes no sense, because we were just using NumPy earlier. I don't know why this error spontaneously showed up, but if it actually decides to true itself, I'm just gonna cry a lot. Okay, cool. Yeah. So this time we're just gonna rely on the output on the side, because clearly we're just trying to see what this prints. Okay, so here, okay, so I could believe that this is the biggest that way, but I don't know what 0 is. Like, what does that mean? So I don't know what this maximum is actually doing. So let's go back and do a NumPy max. Also, we have this open, so it's making everything go slow. Yeah. What? Parameters. Where array like optional. Out none. NumPy maximum. Where true. The maximum is equivalent to NumPy where neither x1 nor x2 are not a number, but is faster and does proper broadcasting. What? What? Okay. What? 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 The condition is broadcast over the input at the locations where the out array will be set as a U function when the default is out is none within the conditions. At a location into which the result is stored. Yeah. Yeah. What? What? Yeah. What? I guess we'll just start reading through NumPy and see what it can tell us. Yeah, Fmax. What is the difference between Fmax? Fmax. It doesn't look very different. Compare two arrays and find the max. No. No. Yeah. You. Okay. You got this array. Argmax. Argmax. Okay. So, oh, these aren't, they aren't alphabetic. So you just gotta read till you find it. Argmax. 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 Where is it? It's gotta be there. Control F. Argmax. Oh, apparently it's not. What? NumPy Argmax. NumPy. Oh wait, no, there's a search the dark. Docs. Argmax. Argmax. Yes, this, please. Please, tell me what this is. Okay, returns the indices of the maximum along an axis. Yes, that is exactly what I'm looking for. So, what? Okay, so this is their array. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, so that's the biggest that way. And so we want to do it this way. So np argmax this. Yeah. Okay. So, okay. Yeah. So, go back this way. So we should be able to do NumPy and then, nope, argmax. And then we take upgrades and we pass in our axis is equal to 1. And now we should hopefully maybe see what the maximum is. So we go back to here and we try to run it and we can see our output over on the side. Okay, nope, that's a lie. Maybe we do want to do it the other way. Maybe we lied to ourselves. We want our axis equal to 0. Yep, that's the answer to that. No. there's way too many. X is 0. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Yeah, that looks more like it. Okay. So, still riding on this assumption train that the first column is X and the second column is Y. Which I'm not sure, because I still don't know where 180... Ah, there's a way to find out. I don't know why. There's a way to find out, actually. We can do the thing that we've been doing before, where we save off this image. So we have this image, we take this screen, and we can just screen dot save? Yeah, save. And we're gonna call it, we'll call it screen.png again, because that's what we did last time, and that worked, and then I'll just overwrite the other one. And then we can check what this thing is. But now we should be able to take, this. And we can save this. And we want the second value? We want the second value. No, second value. And we're going to do something with it. We're gonna save it to a place. So we need to define a variable. And if I was smart, I would think of a smart variable name. But literally, all I can think of right now as a variable is like cow. Which that's not a smart variable name. I need to give it like a good variable name. One that someone will care about and be able to use for their later in life. But I can't think of it. Oh, index. Obviously. Look, yeah, index. And so we'll index here, put index here, and we'll see what it gives us. Okay. But also, we should save this off so that we can actually figure out what it means by 150 something, because I don't know what that means. But let's see what sort of output it gives us this time. Because I have no idea what that means. Press enter to continue. We pressed enter. We did the continue. 268, 298. And then we should be able to open that image that we just saved and figure out what it's on. Like, what is it on about? So, go back to here. Okay, so it says 7, wait, it says 7,189. So 7,189. So let's scroll. Keep scrolling in. Okay, so 189 to 7. This way. 7,189. That's not even close to that color. What is happening? What? That's not that color at all. What? Okay. Man, creepy grandma face. Well, what's at 268, 298? Because that's the color, or that's the location it tells us to go. 268, 268, 268, 298, 268. Wait. So we've been living on this assumption that it was giving us correct values, but really, it's not even Yeah, no, it doesn't. Wait, and it's not even giving us right things. Wait a moment. Those values are usable. Well, wow. Well, that explains a lot. Okay. Well, if those values aren't usable, this is obviously not actually giving us the location of these things. Huh. Huh. Okay, so let's go back. Yeah, yep. No, please print this still. Because I need to figure out what you're doing with your life. So we'll take this. And let's figure out what went wrong here. Yeah, what is just tell me what's happening here. Just in this. What is happening? What is happening here? What is happening? Yeah, what is happening? Okay. Yep, that definitely looks like a... Why is there suddenly a Y here? Oh, because of, this is the maximum thing. For now, goodbye. Goodbye, so long. To you, I say goodbye. Yeah. Okay. But yeah. Going back to this. Just print me what this looks like, please. Thank you. Please and thank you. What does upgrades look like? Yep. So... yeah. Huh. What does Azure seem like? What is it supposed to be doing? Maybe we should go back to that pillow thing. The pillow thing. Oh. The more that I talk about pillow, it just doesn't sound like a real thing. It just sounds more and more... oh, no. It sounds more and more like I'm trying to say something that's not real. Like I'm making it up. Like I'm not necessarily making it up. Like I've invented a word to say something else instead of actually using like the word that you are expecting. It's like, oh, it's like when someone's like, oh, do you want cake? I didn't know that. Okay, so there's this song. This is a tangent, but we've been bumping our heads against this Matrix thing for so long that I feel like I deserve to go on a tangent. But like, there is this song called Cake by the Ocean, and I didn't realize that that was an innuendo. I didn't realize that Cake by the Ocean wasn't about cake until someone was like, yeah, it's one of those like sexual type of songs. And I'm like, what? It's not about cake? Man, my life was sad. Cause like, why is it not about cake? Cake is always the win. You It should always be about cake. Okay, so let's zoom in on this so I can do a read better. Okay, so if you have an image in NumPy, so they took this image from array. So how does this normally look? What does, yeah, what, This will not be used to convert data after reading, but it'll be used to change how it is. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yeah. What? Yeah. Image from array A. Uh-huh. Let's just see how many times it uses NumPy. It only does it 3 times. So let's say NumPy and pill. Honestly, I didn't think that we wouldn't get anywhere this time around. Like, I really thought that we were in the home stretch, that like everything was just gonna be a shot in the dark. That sounds wrong. Everything was just gonna be like a home run. Yeah. We were in the home stretch, but this is honestly taking a lot longer than I thought that it was gonna be. Convert pill images to array with functions in Python. It seems that everyone assumes that the best way to do it is to do it this way. Pill image to NumPy. Huh. What is the difference? What is the difference? What is the difference as array and then as array? In the code above, we converted image into a 3-dimensional NumPy array. Yeah. With the image, we converted image array with NumPy array in the end. What is the difference between array and as array? Okay, NumPy as array versus array? What is, NumPy. Explain to me. As array. You input the data, yeah. Because they just used it exactly the same. What is the difference? Am I dumb? Yeah, no. Array versus as array. Versus array. Yeah. What? Huh. Image. It's this. Yeah, image. Yeah. What? Okay. What? Okay. I wonder if then, wait, numpy, pixel location. Yeah. Yeah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Baroque? Man, I don't know who this person is, but like that, they are a fancy person. They're saying, it's so Baroque. Yeah, no. For example, import this, do the that. Huh. Yeah. Crash course on NumPy for images. Well, where were you earlier? I got this. Yeah? Yeah. Get the value of the pixel at this location. Da, da, da. This is all for black and white. Yeah, color images. This. Yes, please. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Cat is this 300. Yep, and it's got RGB. Yep. We can get and set the values. Cat 1020. It gives us. Those are the pixels. Set the pixel of the 50th row and the 60th to black. Okay. But I don't want to set. I would like to find. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, I already know this. We already know. We have this array. This array exists. So this is not the concern. The concern is not, the concern is finding. The concern is finding. This is all crash. I'm lacking in, it's all crash. Yeah. Yes, that. Google. Yeah. I mean, it's going hard on this. Maybe you should just go black and white. To which I say, nobody wants to play the game if it's in black and white, although there is a game that is in black and white. Anyways, this is an RGB image. Image, line, pixel, yeah, okay, yep, we got some pixels. Okay. And then, Okay. Got the image. Yep. Agreed. Reading the image. We got this image. Agreed. Okay, so this one here says, take this. They just made it into an array, so I guess we don't need as array. So we're just gonna... You don't have to see that. I want to take out the AS. Okay, so they just made it into array. Yep. Yep. Yeah. Is that it? Image operations with NumPy. Yep, let's do that. You got this. They cropped it. That's cool. Padded it. That's also cool, I guess. Flipped it. Yep, that's... Nope, that... Okay. Well, next. Yep, okay, scaling. They took it and they changed, yep, now they rotated it. Yep, that's a thing. That's it. That's the entire thing. That didn't, okay. I want to know the pixel location. Oh no, this is what I just opened. Wait, whoop. No, this is what I just opened. And I immediately forgot the thing that I just opened, so we're probably just gonna open it again. Oh no, we're not. Okay, cool. So changing pixel color values. So it takes this and yep. Convert 0 to 250 to this. Yep. Region of interest. No. But thank you. Accessing pixel images. Image processing numpy. Nope. This is why I keep opening the same thing. Okay. Yeah, is there a way to get this? No. Single element. Man, what is happening? Yeah, no. You're just making a race. Thank you, though. Yeah, no. Yeah. Okay. Okay. NumPy. Where? Maybe this is the problem. Because where was giving us stuff, it's just not giving us the stuff that we want. So, this guy has condition array like boulevard, XY array like values from which to choose. X and Y in condition needs to be broadcastable in some shape. For example, so he has this array that's not exactly what I'm thinking. Okay, so they have this can be used on multi-dimensional arrays as well, where I don't even know what he's wearing. This is just, yeah. Maybe this is why argware exists, which is what we were using. So argware is, it has this array, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it wants to know everywhere where this is greater than 1. So it's gonna tell me why are there 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. There's only 1, 2. How does that work? The output of argware is not suitable for indexing arrays. For this purpose, use non-zero. Non-zero. Okay. You've got this array. Agreed. What? Okay. Well, that didn't help me. So, going backwards. Oh, I get it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is telling me at 0, 2, and that 1, 0. So when this argware gave values, so going back to this, when this argware gave values, this was telling it already where in the array. Right? So this is saying the location where that is equal to. So wait, but that still doesn't. It still doesn't make sense. Okay, so yeah. So let's make a test array. Because I don't think this is working the way that I think that this is supposed to be working. So, we'll start by seeing approximately what type of array comes out, so that I remember, because I'm starting to forget. So, what type of array comes out of upgrades when it's just the NumPy array? So we have this. And so what we can say is that it's definitely an array that's got 1, 3, and then 0, 0, 0. Oh, wait. And for now, we're just going to what's this? Two, 3. Then 1, 2, 3. Actually, this is that's hard to read. So, take these ones. 1, 1, 1. Comma, comma. And then here, I'm gonna make this 2, 2, 2. And we'll change these here. We're going to immediately overwrite upgrades for now. And we're going to change the first one here to this. Just for giggles. I say just for giggles, but it's because I want to be able to look at this later. So, step 1 is that I just run with it, I guess. Yeah. Oh, it didn't like that. It did not like that. It did not like that. Okay. It did not like that. Man, it got all sorts of mad. It was unhappy. Yo, I'm sorry. Please don't do the big sad. Just go. Yeah, do. Please doodly do. No, it's still mad. It is really mad. Am I missing a comma? I mean, I might be missing a comma. Okay. Okay. Is it because I don't have commas here and here? So I don't have them in between these elements. Like this. Let's try again. Start. Hey. Oh, it didn't scream this time. Oh my god. It's what? It didn't scream at all. Whoa. Okay. So this does look, in fact, now a lot like the type of array that we were getting, but smaller. Cool. So now, I would like to know what happens when I take that and I, nope. That requires too many editing. So we're going to, we're going to take upgrades now. And we're going to, we'll say where upgrades is equal to this. What is due? Start. Okay. Zero, 1, 0. Huh. Yeah, no, that seems right. That makes sense. What? Okay, we're gonna do another thing. Okay, so we're gonna call these test. And now we're going to print our test. And then we're going to compare some things, because maybe I'm understanding this entire thing wrong. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised. It wouldn't be the first time. So, in fact, it wouldn't even be the first time to stream. Okay, let's go. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Uh-huh. Oh, I didn't change this to test. Let's try that again. But also, let me look at this for a minute. Do we still have the paint screen open? We do have the paint screen open. Awesome. Okay. So, because we have the paint screen open, what we can do is we can take the paint screen and go give this. So many things. There's so many things. Ah, no, don't do that. No, stop. Okay, so, let's go. This should be the last one, the last pixel. And that is 2, okay, so that does make sense. And so then the next pixel right next to it should be 3, 10, 14. Yep, so those all check out. So those actually are coordinates. So what's happening at 7,189? What? Because I swear to you, at 7,189, we literally just checked, and it's definitely not green. 7. Yep. Go up, up, up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. Keep going. Oh, scroll this over more. 7, 7, nope, 7, 189. Let's try it the other way. Which still wouldn't make any sense. Oh, wait, go back. 7, 189, just for posterity's sake. 189, 189, 7. Yeah, that's not, that doesn't match. Yep. That definitely does not match. Okay. And even if I go to 8, 190, it's still not even close. So then going the other way, if I go 189, 189, and then 7, 189, 7, no. Oh, wait a second. Wait a second. I think I have an idea. But if that's the case, we can check. So I think, so you see how this third digit is 102? I think it's saying if anything in the array matches one of those things. So we are going to make 2 test cases for us. So we're going to put 255 here, and we're going to put 255 here. And if it does a complete match, then test should not give us the values that we want. And so for now, we're gonna say, go away. I don't actually care about you anymore. Upgrades, I mean, I do. I love you, upgrades. You're helping me a lot. But you're not helping me right now. So we're gonna call this test 1. We'll call this test 1. Okie dokie. So now, let us try to solve it again. So, close that. Let's run everything again. Oh, that means I have to open the cookie clicker in the window that you cannot see, because we just care, or you guys are just gonna care for now, but the output. Yeah, okay, so that makes sense. So the problem is that it will match anything that has one of the values in the array. So that's why it's getting values that don't make any sense. So what we need to do is make argware have to match every single value. The only thing is that I don't know how to do that. I don't know why it's not just by default. Equal has to do with the entire row. And I don't know why. So now that we have a closer idea of what the problem is, what we can do is to go back to Google. NumPy, oh, and it's going slow because this thing's still open. Okay, NumPy, match array in matrix. That's not how you spell matrix. Yeah, matching a row in a 2-dimensional array. Because when I do a where, yeah. The list is present. So, yep. NumPy array to list. In this article, we will be checking a specified row is in the array. Array to list. Did it? Actually, I wonder, so NumPy till get data. So I did see that like the way that people were doing was that they were reshaping. NumPy get data reshape. Reshape. Nope. That's the get data shape matrix. Okay, Indy to list. In this example, we will be using Indy array to list. Yep. NumPy array print to list. Wow, that's not even close. NumPy array in matrix. NumPy find array in matrix. Yep. So he has these values. 350. Where dot all could directly call non-zero and return all. Could directly call non-zero on the array returned by dot all. By calling the .all method on the array with access 1, gives you true where both are true. So it has to be dot all. Okay, so we can try that. That's as simple as stealing this and adding it to our little test array. Okay, so we got our little test. We got our little test. Do this. Yep. And we'll see what happens, because there's really no words other than we just gotta see what happens at this point. We are getting to the point of, man, this stuff, I can see why people make careers out of it. Yeah, no, there are too many. Array is one-dimensional, but two were indexed. What does that mean? Okay, we'll go backwards. We'll get rid of this. There we go. Because I don't know if this matters in this context, to be honest. So we'll do it again. False, 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 false. What? False, 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 false. What? What? Okay, we'll do all axis equals 0. Because last time we trusted the internet's opinion on axes, that didn't help us all that much. So we'll just do it again. All axis equals 0. Okay. Now it's just false, false, false. Really, that just changed whether it went from one false to many false. So maybe it's because here is where we need to do it. Because last time that seemed to be, in their Stack Overflow thing, that seems to be what they were doing. So let's see. Okay, now it's empty. Okay, so we can go back to our axis being 1. I mean, if that's what it wants, we can try this. Okay. Nope, it still didn't do it. It still didn't do the thing. Yeah. So, huh. What? Okay, so let's see. They have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where vowels equal all axis. It could be because they are in parentheses like this. So we can try that. So let's go backwards and we can say, what if I did this? Would that change how you're feeling. Would that change our results? So, try again. Because that's all we know how to do. How to struggle and try. And also, I just realized the thing, but I'll fix it later. Oh, oops. Because I'm still on the Stack Overflow. Let me try that again. Let's try that again. We're making rookie mistakes now. Cool. Okay. Yeah. So. Axis is 0. Actually, I have 2 axes that I can go upon. Or, well, not 2 axes, because 0 and 1 are 2 axes. I mean, I can go up to 2 because there are 3 axes. But we'll do it again. Yeah. Okay. So here, press enter. Nothing. But also, we're going to remember this time that we have a 3rd axis, which is 2. Go up to 2, see if that improves anything. Yeah, that highly improves things. But it doesn't work with this, is my question. I don't know the difference. So I'm just trying to do a check. So, start. Ba-bum. It's the same thing. Cool. Okay. But this tells me that if I did this instead, I should actually get the result that I'm looking for. Theoretically. Theoretically. So let's try this. We can try this. So this time. Oh. Well, now it's well, okay. I don't know what happened. Besides, it was like, what if we lag extra hard? Okay. So we want to make this more similar to this, which means that we need to take this, which is our original upgrades array. We actually don't need that. What we want is to do this. So actually, we just take this. And then make upgrades. Do that. Okay. And then we'll see what upgrades looks like. So it should be a more reasonable amount because there aren't very many green things. And then we'll see what the position is. Okay. So, again, let's run this. See what we get. Okay. So, now we want to go back to our image and check if those locations have the color that we want. So, let me open the Python and the image again and allow me to show you guys so that I don't do that thing again where you cannot see. And then we'll see, we'll go over to 340. So 341. 341. 341. And then 341, 106 it says. 106. 341, 106. Yep, that color matches. Oh my god. Why did this take so long for us to get to this place? Man, that took that took a ridiculous amount of time. Okay. So. Also, another thing that we learned, since I remembered, since we're here, when I did it, we realized that the first one is going to be our Y. So it's going to be our top. And then the second one is going to be our left. So it's actually like this. So like this, which means that this should be like that. Of course, I don't know if this is gonna work again because I don't know if we're doing left and then right or right and then left, but we are finally to a point where we can actually test that, because that's how long it took us to get to a point where we can actually go back to actually testing something and not just playing around with the race. So we're going to get rid of that. I can actually get rid of all of this. Yeah. 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 Okay. And then, we have something to test. I want to close this file. Okay. So, okay. 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 Start. Do a thing. Do thing. Okay. Press enter to continue. Pressed enter. Cool. That, no. That's wrong. At least coordinate-wise, because it brought me all the way to a different screen. The mouse went not correct. So now, I guess, we would swap these, because I don't know what else we would do. There. Yeah, so we swap the two mouse positions, so top and then left, and now we're gonna try again. So, let's go. Okay. Press enter to continue. Oh, I once again have no idea what happened to the mouse. Like, where did it go? Oh, nope. That, didn't work. That did not work. It didn't work. I don't know, where it went. Let's try that again. And I need to have a better eye on where the mouse went. Okay. Where'd the mouse go? Okay. So it went to the bottom of the screen. So that actually means that we're... The other order was closer. Like, it was more correct. So... Oh, I see the problem. I put 0 twice. Well, we know the fix for that. It's 1. Okay. Now, if we be less less big dumbs. And I guess I keep saying we, but really it's only me. It's always only me. If I be less big dumb, it should work now, right? Okay, press enter to continue, clicks on the thing, goes, and it's clicking on grandma. Oh my god, and you can tell too, because it gave whatever the hover thing is that grandma does. Oh my god, okay. Okay, we're like almost there. We are almost there. We are, oh my god, we are. I know this sounds like an over-exaggeration, but considering how long this took, when this really should not have taken this long, is amazing. Also, this is real mad. It got big mad. Don't be mad. Be happy. Cool. There. So now, we try to run forever and see what happens. So, click cookie, read story, buy upgrade. Okay. Actually, didn't we say read story comes last? We read story after we buy upgrade. Okay. Let's do. Okay. 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 Yeah. Man, moment of truth. If we can buy these upgrades. Okay, let us go for it. You know, I'm really nervous. Probably because it's, oh my god. Like, that took way too long. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, let's go. Okay. Can it do? Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay, and it bought things as they like came up. Oh, yes, we are having success. I don't even know if this is the most optimized strategy on how to play Cookie Clicker, but it is definitely how we are doing it. Oh my god, it's actually doing things and buying upgrades and doing the cookie stuff. I actually have no idea what the optimal strategy for Cookie Clicker is, but this is at least making me happy. Man, why don't you visit more often, Grandma asked. That's a good question, Grandma. Why don't I visit more often? Oh my gosh. And also now it says, like, oh, I wonder how that's going to affect all of our things. Very curious. Man. I'm just so happy that it's upgrading, because this should not have taken this long. And yet it did. I don't know if this is the man, how do you min-max Cookie Clicker? That's a question for another day. At the rate that we are going, because of how terrible of a coder I am, I imagine that that's like 3 streams from now. That's not even the next one, because we still need to make it click golden cookies when they arise. And then we want to actually make it not go this slow. So threading will have to be involved. But man, just the fact that we have gotten to this point after failing for so long, it makes me happy. Oh no, wait, that's not even next stream. Next stream, I have to figure out what those things at the top are, which I'm assuming are upgrades to your upgrades. So we have to figure out how to make the game buy the upgrades for your already existing upgrades. Okay, well, let's end this while it's doing things. Grandma, don't talk about it. Indentured servitude. Okay, so I am clicking because I can click a little bit faster. If I click this, they disappear. Got it. So, in other words, those are things that you would want to buy. You are want of to like buy those. I don't know if, is that the min-max strategy though? Do you want to buy those more than you want to? I think so, because you see how fast that made my number of cookies go up? I don't know. Man. Cookie clicker min-maxing. This is things you gotta think and consider about cookie clicker that I think nobody cared about. In fact, I probably shouldn't even care this much about, but I have become invested in making success. Yeah. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It's so exciting. So exciting. Oh my god. It probably should not be this exciting. Especially because this is just a game about, like, cookies. Anyways, now that I'm wholly distracted by just how to min-max cookie clicker, how does this game work? At least the code is working better than it was when, like, than it was before. We didn't end this on like a we made no progress type of deal. We actually got somewhere, even though this stream was an hour longer than it usually is. So, I know none of you are watching, but in case you stumbled upon here, thanks for watching. Remember, if you think that you can do better with this code, because I'm sure anyone in the world at this point can, you can see it on GitHub, you can you tweet at me, tell me how terrible of a job I'm doing, leave a comment, do anything to just make me improve, because the point of this is that I just want to be yelled at by the internet. I want the internet to tell me what a crap job I am doing. Also, I just realized I think the grandmas are definitely going to like mess up how these things are doing, because you see, I'm getting distracted again by things that we are going to have to fix later in the future. Yeah, we got this. Okie dokie. Well, again, thanks so much for everything. Man, I'm pumped we got this far. Well, if you do want to come see me fail again at coding, see you again next week.